How to log in on Vampire Survivors. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to log in on Vampire Survivors. Logging on Vampire Survivors is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Vampire Survivors doesn't typically require a login to play, as it's a primarily offline single player game. You just open the game and start playing immediately. However, if the game has been updated or modified to include a login feature for online saves, leaderboard or other services, here what you might need to do. Launch the game, open Vampire Survivors on your device, check for login option. Look for a login or sign in option on the main menu. This might be linked to a specific service such as Google Play Games, Apple Game Center or another account system. Follow the instruction. If a login is required, follow the on-screen instruction to sign in using your preferred method. For example, Google, Apple, Facebook, etc. If you are not prompt to log in, it means the game is likely designed for offline play without any account requirements. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.